Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel! Last time, we have talked about the homophones there, and there. And today, we'll be discussing about the articles or the uses of articles a and an. Kids and adults have a hard time identifying when to use a and an, especially in talking or in writing. So today, we will be discussing the uses of articles a and an. Before we start, let us define first what articles mean. When we say articles, these are words used to indicate particular people or people or things in general. So we have there the word general, which means not specific. Or in other words, these are what we call common nouns. Examples of common nouns, we have pencil, cell phone, dog, man, school, and many more. So for pencil and cell phone, these are not specific because they don't have their brand names, right? For dog, it is also not specific because we don't know the breed or the name of that dog. For the men in school, these two are also not specific because we don't have the name of the man and the name of the school. So again, when we say articles, these are about general things or people or what we call common nouns. And by the way, take note of this. The first letter of these common nouns are not capitalized. So that is all about articles meaning. Let's have now our lesson proper on how to use a and an correctly. So let's start with a. A is used before words beginning with consonant letters. So in the alphabets, you're going to remove A, E, I, O, and U. So the remaining letters in the alphabets are what we call consonant letters. So that is the first use of a. So we have here examples: a man, a dog, a bicycle. M in man is a consonant letter, same with D in dog and B in bicycle. So that is the first use of a, used before words beginning with consonant sound. On the other hand, we use an before words that begin with vowel sound. So when we say vowel sound, we have a, e, o, and a. So those are our vowel sounds. We have here examples: an apple, an elephant, an umbrella. So A in apple, E in elephant, and U in umbrella are what we call vowel sounds. Let's have another use for A. A is used before words, letters, numbers, which sound like they begin with consonant even if the first letter is a vowel. As you can see in these examples, they start with vowel or vowel letters, but they sound like consonants. So instead of using an, we will be using a. For example, euro. To begin with right? It's euro. So it seems that it begins with letter Y. Another one is a university. It doesn't sound like a. It sounds like Y. And another one is a one, as if it sounds like a W, right? So those are examples of the use or the second use of a. While an is used before words, letters, numbers, which sound like they start with a vowel, even if the first letter is a consonant. So the opposite of a, wherein the in the examples, the words before the article N begin with consonant letters, but they sound like vowel sound. Examples, an hour, an honorable, an F. So, H there sounds like ah, right? Hour, and in honorable we have O, right? And of course, F there sounds like E. So, they begin with consonant letters, but they sound like vowel sounds. That is the second use of N. Did you see the difference between the two? The uses of A and N? Please remember of those following things. And again, these are the uses of A and N. In using A or N, you need to remember of the following things. First one, A or N can be used before an adjective or adverb. When we say adjectives, these are describing words, while adverbs are words that modify verbs, adjectives, and another adverbs. Here are examples. A cold day, a very crazy person, an easy lesson, an interesting class. So a cold day, we have there the word cold, that is an example of an adjective. Same with easy and interesting. So those are examples of what we call adjectives or describing words. And for the adverb, we have there the word very. So please take note that we can use A or N before an adjective or an adverb. But please do remember that take a look whether the start of that word is a consonant sound or a vowel sound. Second, A and N are indefinite articles. They are used in general nouns and nouns that have not been specified. Just like I said a while ago, the articles A and N are used before general or common nouns. Third, A and N is used with singular count nouns. When we say singular, it means one. While count nouns, these are nouns that can be counted. Examples, pen, cell phone, computer. A or N is used with singular count nouns. We have here examples. Need an air. Play me a music. Give me a hit. So, air, music, and hit are not examples of singular count nouns because air, music, and heat are not count nouns. They cannot be counted. Therefore, they are not examples of count nouns. So we're going to remove A, N, and in this following sentences. So I'll be giving you examples of sentences using A and N correctly using, of course, singular count nouns. First, I need a cell phone. Cell phone there is an example of a singular count noun. We just one and we can count it. So we'll be using A because C there is a consonant sound or consonant letter. Another example is play an instrument. So instrument is also an example of a singular count noun because there are many instruments, right? But we are only referring to one instrument, or we'll be using A or N. But instrument starts with letter I, so we'll be using N. Another example is give me a doll. So doll there is your singular count noun. It can be counted. And we'll be using A because D there is a consonant letter. So these are the things that you need to remember in using A and N. If you have learned from this video, hit the subscribe button below. And in order for you to be notified if I have a new video, click the notification bell. Last Sunday, April 12, 3 p.m. po, nagkaroon kami ng online quiz game. So, mga questions po nanggaling sa mga video lessons na in-upload ko. So, 3 lessons yon. We have the capitalization or rules of capitalization. Yung pangalawa, we have the end marks or punctuation marks. At yung pangatlo is the homophones there, and there. So, kung gusto nyo pong mag-join, mag-subscribe lang kayo sa aking channel. By the way, these are the winners sa nangyaring online quiz game nung Sunday. So we have Clint Seco, nanalo ng 190 pesos load. Joshua Gisalva, nanalo ng 180 pesos through GCash. Mark Rimwell Boncodin, 60 pesos load. Abigail Mola, 60 pesos load. And Jem Lance Futalan, 60 pesos load. So congratulations! Kung kayo gusto nyo ring manalo ng cash or load, pwede po kayong sumali sa online quiz game. Every Sunday po yan, 3 p.m. through live streaming sa YouTube. Kung gusto nyo sumali at paano sumali, panoorin nyo lang yung uploaded video ko about the mechanics of the game. This is Joanne, reminding you that learning is fun. Bye!